Hey everybody, Dale here. In this video I'm going to show you some useful keyboard shortcuts. The first one is resizing your start menu. Let's click on our start menu down here. Now of course you can resize your start menu if you get your double arrows here on the top and on the right hand side. You can stretch it in and out and up and down. You can also do that with your keyboard. So that would use the control key plus your arrow keys. Got your up arrow, your down arrow, your right arrow, and your left arrow. So you can do that with your keyboard. Pretty simple. The next one is I'm going to show you how to reset the zoom on all your browsers. This one works with both, or all of them, Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Let's say that you get your screen all zoomed in or zoomed out, all big and huge, accidentally with your multi-gesture touchpad or whatever. That's simple. Just Control plus your 0 key. We'll reset it back to 100%. And again, this works on all your different browsers. The next one is to show the desktop. Now you can do that with your mouse. If you take your mouse in the lower right hand corner here of your screen and you click on that little tiny bar you can barely see, when you click that you can show desktop. You can also do that with your keyboard. That's your Windows key to the left of the space bar plus your D key. And you can toggle it back and forth, do it again, and bring it back. The next one is your Alt and F4. The Alt key and the F4, if you have an active window open, like I do here with Firefox, just hold down the Alt and the F4 key, same time, and it closes out that active window. Just like that. When you don't have any active windows up and you got just your desktop, if you do Alt F4, it'll bring up your shutdown menu. Then you can use your up and down arrow keys to scroll through the list of options. You got shutdown, restart, sleep, sign out, whatever. Hit the escape key to make it go away. The next one is your start menu right click. If you go over to the start menu here and you right click on it with your right mouse button, you got your different things you can do. You can also do that with your Windows plus the X key. So it'd be Windows plus X, and there's your right menu. Just like right clicking on it. Hit the escape key, make it go away. The next one is if you want to sign out really quick or go to your lock screen. That's also the Windows key. So you hold down Windows plus L, boom, you're signed out. Tap your space bar, you can sign back in. Just like that. That was Windows plus your L key for lock screen. Now your notification bar over here in your notification icon, you click on that, and here you got all your notifications and all your different settings. You can do that with the Windows plus the A key. Brings it in and out, just like that. The next one will be the Windows plus the R key. That'll bring up your run box, Windows plus R. This is useful to get to places like your control panel or your command prompt or whatever. Hit the escape key. And last but not least is your settings. If you want to go to Windows settings, you can do that several ways. You can click on your start button. You can go to your gear here and open up Windows settings. You can go over here and click on your notification icon and go to all settings as soon as I find it here, right here. You can also do that with your Windows plus your I key. It will bring up your Windows settings instantly. Hit these. Excuse me. Oop, let's close that out. And that's about it. I hope you found some of these useful. I'm going to put a link down here at the bottom with the notes where you can go to Microsoft and get a list of, it's a comprehensive list of pretty much every keyboard shortcut known to humankind. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget, subscribe. See you next time.